Hello viewers, how are you? We hope you all are fine. So today we will discuss about bed side table, wooden side table designs and ideas. So creative beside tables ideas, it's most amazing. Designer approved ways to repurpose what you already have. Of all the problems that may present themselves in the bedroom, the most life-altering tragic one is having to get out of bed because there's nowhere within reach to put your night light, glass of water, reading material, or whatever else it is that gets you through the night. This is to say, there's no excuse not to have a beside table. In this category, your options are virtually endless, whether you are looking for style inspiration or you need to get creative because you either don't want to spend money, no one, or don't have space for more furniture. You are in the right place. Keep reading for best alternative besides tables ideas plus a handful of regular ones of the traditionalists out there. Even a regular old side chair can look cool in the right environment. So here are some of the best loose bedding and makeshift side table designs. Accent chairs contribute to that easy undone elegance. Bedroom wooden side table is one of the most best table in the world, and walls keep it feeling streamlined and clutter free with one console table between them. The beside table from Home Concept House is actually a bar. The bedroom by Jackson proves that anything can be a side table if you want to be well to an extent. But you get the idea. So there is one of the best thing, and I think it doesn't get similar than this for a super easy affordable check beside table that isn't really a table. Stack up some books, keep pulling them on until you reach your desired highlight. This one in a minimalist bedroom design close to the ground along with the bed and sons. Hands-on secure a floating shelf or tiny floating table to the wall as to save floor space but still have a place to put your nighttime essentials. In this minty monochromatic bedroom design, very great, and this is one of the most cool. Also, this is one of the most cool design because one of the biggest challenges in a small bedroom in finding places to put all your stuff since the bed takes up most of the room. Think outside the box. Even a window sill can provide extra storage space for decor, lighting, and other essentials when there's no room for an extra table. Larger than a nightstand and smaller than a dresser, this is the Goldilocks of the beside tables. It strikes the perfect balance between two color scheme and adds a touch of contemporary style. So style, it's very great, and very great designs. We hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please share this video and smash the like button. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.